Want to level up your Canva game? Here are 5 genius hacks to save time, boost creativity, and make your designs pop. Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, this is Brand Locally, and today I'm going to show you genius Canva hacks that you can use. So let's start off for something easy and quick. So I have my text here, Brand Locally. So when you choose a font, for example, my favorite font, Chloe, they don't have a bold font here or any bold icon here. It's not available and it's not bold enough or thick enough for my design. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to effects, click outline, and you can design or change the color here and just adjust a little bit of here. It should be the same color as the text and adjust the thickness of it. And you can see the effect, okay? And that's it. It makes your design, your text a little more bolder version of the font, which is really helpful. The next step is going to be the one that I usually use when I'm browsing images or elements in Canva. So let's go to Canva and go to elements. It has a lot of pictures and amazing images, but sometimes you have to scroll all the way down and it's really time consuming to find the perfect graphics for you. So what we're going to have to be more specific is, okay, let's search up for flower, scroll down a little bit, and maybe I like this kind of design. Click the 3 dots here and we show all the keywords. So now that we have all the keywords, these keywords, we're not gonna put this one by one, but we're gonna put this, not everything, but for example, this one, watercolor, flower, hand drawn. Okay, let's search flower, watercolor, and hand painted. Flower, watercolor, hand painted. Okay, and there we have it. We have the similar designs for everything. Okay, right here and right here. We get a lot of results that are very close to what we want. Okay, the next thing is that as you can see, these flowers is not aligned to each other and you have to manually put this here and here. But what if I can tell you there's a quick way to do that? So for example, these flowers are under here. You just have to click everything here. Click the 3 dots. Align elements either left, center, right, top, middle, or bottom. But I'll put middle on this one. And see, everything is in the middle. But you can see here, this pink flower is closer to this. And this one is far to each other. So we can tidy up this one by selecting it all, more, then space evenly, then tidy up. And as easy as that, we can align everything together, not manually click it. So that's it. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to show you is just quick AI, quick color change. So what we have here is the flowers that I picked earlier from my elements. Then if you don't want to change it one by one or change the colors here, you can also search an element and search a cool background. I want a boho background. And let's see all here, scroll down a little bit, and I like this. So I'll apply this one. Okay. So I want the color scheme of this one to apply to my background color and also to my flowers. So let's right click this one, apply colors to page. And if you don't like this color, let's also right click and apply colors to page until you get the color scheme that you want. Okay. Oh, this one looks nice. But let's search up a little bit more. This one is nice too. Oh, I like this better. Now, are you familiar with those photos or just, a quick reality show that guess the picture, guess the design. So what I'm going to show you is the Pixelify. So let's go up here. I have a dog here, but you still don't know what kind of dog this is. So let's try to go to apps and search up Pixelify. Pixel this photo, choose file, selecting your image, and here we can adjust this and Pixelify or place. Then you usually see this in game shows like guess the image, guess the breed of this dog. So now, what is the breed of this dog? Okay. Now what we have is here is a very plain text with icons, elements. So I want to change the color of each depending on my branding. So let's go to our brands and click here whichever you're branding it was. So if you still don't know how to add your brand kit, you can check my previous video about brand kits. I already explained to that video how to add the branded colors, fonts, logos, and everything. So check that one out. So let's continue on this one. So I want this one. So our brand locally is this one. Let's shuffle, 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 shuffle. I think this color is nice. And that's it. That's how you easily apply colors to your pictures with just adding some brand colors. And that's it for today. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.